Hello, my name is Lisette. I will tell you my recipe. Colombian egg arepa. The ingredients are: there's 1 pound of corn flour, there's 1 liter of flour for fruit, there are 5 units of eggs, there is a teaspoon of salt, there is a glass of water, there is a stick of margarine. 1. There's a step to make our egg arepa is to pre-list the ingredients of the recipe. 2. To make the arepas dough, we tap a light corn flour for arepas, a cup. 3. To make the arepas dough, we take a light corn flour for arepas, 2 cups. 4. Pour the hot water over the flour and let some rest for approximately 10 minutes. 5. Wonder for a few minutes what your hands unit the dough a firm consistency and make small balls as shown in the program. 6. Crush the small balls forming the arepas. You can do it with your hands or help your want at plate. The idea is that they have the shape seen in the photograph. Seven. Took a depot over medium heat and the air lighter of sunflower oil for a few. We must bear in mind that we must add a arepa only and when the oil is very hot. This is what our arepa will inflate during cooking, and we must remove some of the oil. Egg. Visit very careful at the egg in a cup, taking care the yolk does and not break. 9. Very careful and with butter we make an opening in the seed to the arepa already fried. We introduce the egg and close with a light more dough. Then we put the arepa back in the pot with oil to finish frying and cook the egg. 10. Remove from the fire in a few minutes our Colombian egg arepas and remove excess oil with absorbent paper. Serve the arepas at breakfast and the company with a light cheese. Enjoy. How you like our Colombia recipe? Goodbye.